Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Kia Carnival S, stock reference number 5603. The shape runs from the 3rd month 2018 through to the 10th month 2020. It has a D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. D4HB 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear tailgate, tidy rear bumper cover, Hayman Reese towbar with all bolts, brackets and loom, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.